How to unblock people on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat. Click on your profile located at top left corner of your screen. Then click on Settings located at top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on Settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down till you find Blocked. You'll find Blocked User, click on it. Then you'll find all your blocked users. The people you want to unblock, simply click on cross mark at the right side and then click on yes. After you click on yes, the person will be unblocked. And if you want to add them as a friend again, go back, click on search button at top left and then search their username and then press on add, and you send them friend request. They'll accept you as friend and you will be friend again. This is how to unblock people on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.